Which automotive LED headlights are actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Farron Upgraded H11, H9, H8 bulb. Let's kick things off with the Farron Upgraded H11, H9, H8 bulb. At $31.99, this bulb caught my attention because of its impressive 45,000 lumens brightness. If you want ultra-bright visibility without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Farron bulbs boast 99% plus vehicle compatibility, meaning you can fit them into most cars without a hassle. The brightness is 900% better than stock bulbs, enhancing your field of vision and making night driving a lot safer. Plus, with a lifespan of over 60,000 hours, you won't be changing bulbs every few months. The focused beam pattern prevents glare for oncoming drivers, which is a must for safety. Now, some folks mentioned that they had issues with flickering in very specific vehicle models. Here's the thing though, that's not a deal breaker for most cars, and Farron offers support if you run into compatibility issues. So if you're driving a standard vehicle, you're set. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet high-performing bulb. Skip this one if you're driving a very sensitive model that might need extra components. For the price, it's a solid upgrade. Now, if the flickering issue worried you, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Farron 2026 Upgraded H11/H9/H8 9005/HB3 bulb combo, priced at $69.99. This one really stood out because it boasts a staggering 120,000 lumens brightness. If you want next level illumination, this one's worth checking out. So why is this a game changer? With 1,500% more brightness than standard bulbs, these lights cut through darkness like a hot knife through butter. The one-to-one mini design ensures easy installation, fitting into your existing housing without any hassle. And the cooling fan? It helps the bulb maintain optimal temperatures, which means longevity. We're talking an impressive 60,000 hours of use. However, some users reported that the installation was tricky for their specific car types. But honestly, if you follow the included instructions, it should work smoothly for most. It's a minor hiccup compared to the brightness and safety you gain. This is perfect for night owls or those who drive in poorly lit areas. Skip it if you're on a tight budget and can't stretch to that price. But for the value, it's a worthy investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want easy installation. Product number 3, Farron H11/H8/H9 LED bulbs, available for $39.97. This caught my eye because of its 50,000 lumens brightness. If you're looking for a reliable upgrade without a hefty price tag, this is a great contender. Why does this matter? These bulbs deliver 1,200% more brightness than standard halogen, which means you'll see much better on the road. The precision-focused beam reduces glare for oncoming traffic, while providing a defined cutoff line, which helps keep you and others safe. With over 99% vehicle compatibility, you should be good to go in most cars. Plus, the installation is a breeze. Most users report they had it done in about 3 minutes. A few customers mentioned that the brightness could be too intense for some city driving situations, which can be true. But for those of you who want to maximize visibility, this is a small price to pay. This is perfect for drivers who prioritize visibility and easy installation. Skip this one if you're looking for something softer for city driving. For the price, you can't beat the value here. Now, if the brightness was a bit too much for you, the next product is designed for a smoother, more balanced light. Product number 4, RCJ 9005-9006 bulbs combo, priced at $45.99. This caught my attention for its 600% brightness increase compared to OEM halogen bulbs. If you want a solid, all-around upgrade, this is a fantastic option. Here's what makes it great. These bulbs offer a cool white color temperature of 6,000 K, which helps you see further and clearer. The perfect beam pattern emulates stock bulbs, meaning no dark spots or shadows, which is crucial for night driving. Plus, the installation is super simple. Plug-and-play design means you can upgrade your headlights in about 10 minutes. However, some users have noted that they experienced flickering after installation. This can happen in certain vehicles, but honestly, it's not the norm and can often be fixed with a quick adjustment. This is perfect for drivers looking for an easy installation and great brightness. Skip it if you're after something that matches your original halogen beams exactly. For the price, it's a great way to enhance visibility. Now, if installation ease was your top criteria, the final product on our list really shines in that area. So, there you have it. From the Farron upgraded H1/H9/H8 bulb to the Termidor latest combo, each option brings something unique to the table. Whether you need brightness, easy installation, or durability, there's a perfect match for everyone. Make sure to choose the one that fits your needs best, and drive safely out there.